time all together. Take a look at how cute these are. I needed these so badly last night when I was cooking live in my kitchen. You can always join me on Fridays at 5 p.m. Eastern time, and I cook live in my kitchen, and I was rummaging through trying to find a pour bowl for the salad dressing that I was making. Well, here it is. I should have known. H221544. You're getting the Temptations set of 2 easy pour bowls in a 1-quart size. Here's the 1. And in the 2-quart bowl size, here's the 2. Now, we do have Old World and Floral Lace to show you. This is the Old World, and then this is the Floral Lace pattern here. Tara refers to it as the Temptations version of toile, and I think that's such a great descriptor. But we've got multiple colors. In the Floral Lace, I've got red here. In the Old World, I have blue, but it's the first day they're being presented at the lower price. They were $33.96. They're now $24.98. They're also, because of the clearance price, on 5 easy payments of $5. Let's take a look at the options that we have for you. We're going to look at the Old World first. So first and foremost, we have them in green. We also have them in black. Next is blue. We also have confetti, then eggplant, which is that rich purple, and then we have the red there at the end. Now that's your Old World choices. I have an update for you. Each color in the Old World, we have 150 each. Now, there is a little pour spout in the front of each one, and I'll show you that because that matters. If you're making batters for pancakes or if you're making salad dressings and you need to hold and pour, that pour spout is a feat of engineering, quite frankly. Then we have Floral Lace. Let's take a look at the colors we have available there next. In the Floral Lace, we've got red. We also have black. We have blue, eggplant. 100 left in the eggplant. We've got green, 150 in the green, and then last but not least, that light blue. Ooh, I thought so. 24 in the light blue. We have a little video from the CEO, president, and head designer, Tara Tescher. Let's take a look at it now.
Hey everyone, Tara Tescher here, the designer and creator of the Temptations family of brands, sharing with you 2 of our easy pour bowls. I love these, 2-quart and a 1-quart. Just by incorporating that great pour spout, I now can mix in here, I can prep in here, I can pour right out of here. So pancake batter, any of the mixes that you're gonna be making, super easy, and you're not transferring from dish to dish. Crack the eggs, mix the cake mix, and then pour it right inside here. You have that nice oversized handle here, rope detail that runs around the edges, hand painted on the inside and the outside. And then the 1-quart, which is a little smaller, has another helper handle here, easy to help you pour. Everything's gonna nest right down inside each other. These are a must-have, available in Old World and Floral Lace. You wanna check them out on QVC.com.
You know what, Lisa? When I hear no reorder, I know that means it's a Temptations collector's item.
That's exactly right. And you know what else, Mary? As you know, we have so many colors that we can't bring every item in a plethora of colors, but this one we did. So definitely pick up your color while it's available since it's being retired. Secondly, Mary, we don't have any core bowls in our line.
Ooh.
This was created really because Tara was so frustrated of taking a bowl like this, right? These bowls that we have at home, and then trying to pour like salad dressing, pancake batter, whatever it is. So we created 2 different sizes. Here's the 2-quart. And if you're new to Temptations, I'm holding the Floral Lace light blue. Floral Lace has that beautiful detail of the etching, the engraving on the outside, the beautiful beading at the top, and then we pop the inside with that gorgeous hand-painted color. But look at the handle. This is all the detail that Tara is always going to give you. You see how it slopes up? So easy to hold in the hand. And then when we call this our perfect pour bowl, I'll show you in a minute why. Then its companion piece, the 1-quart, which also has a really easy handle just to go on the side. Mary, isn't it great how they nest together?
Yes.
So all you have to do is store that 2-quart bowl. But think about it. The fact that you get hand painted, oven safe to 500 degrees, microwave safe, refrigerator safe, dishwasher safe. We should have a jingle here, don't you think, with that? Like, it'd be so
Well, I felt
easy.
like I was playing the bells for a second because the stoneware is such beautiful quality that I was over here just... I'm apparently putting a band together.
Oh, can we hear from the bell section, please?
They're over
I love
here.
that. They're over here. How about this? When we say perfect pour, I really mean it. So I have my pancake batter in here, And then in the 1 quart bowl, I already mixed the oil and the water. So I can carefully, you know how sometimes you're supposed to do it slowly? Like that's what the directions say?
Yeah.
Look how easy I can start and stop the pour. It's just amazing. And it's not dripping all down the side. These are fab boo, Mary. Seriously.
Yeah, I mean, there is a difference between a pour spout and a notch cut into what you're trying to use, because you know how it is. You get the stuff running down the side and you get the drippies and you're wasting ingredients. Now you got to boil the kitchen. I mean, this is a very much engineered spout. I loved the detail there. And that's the thing with working at QVC and being a host for as long as I have now. I notice those kinds of things. I can tell you if it's a lead or not. And this part of the spout has been absolutely engineered to not drive you crazy. Now, we do have the Old World and the Floral Lace. I'm holding the Old World. Those are the two patterns that are the most popular in the Temptations line. You're getting the 1 quart and you're getting the 2 quart bowl. Now, which one, I'm asking my friends upstairs right now, which one, Frank and Ebony, should I start on? Do you want to show the Floral Lace first or the Old World first? Old World. Let's take a look at those color choices first. So, actually, that's okay. It looks like we're on the Floral Lace. So light blue has got to be close. Oh, there are 6 left in the light blue. Oh boy. And then we have Floral Lace in green, 150 there. Next, we have the eggplant, 100 in the eggplant. We also have it in blue. Next, 300 in blue. We also have black, 200 in the black, and 200 in the red. Now, as we pull up the color choices for Old World, I want to remind you that it's the first day presented at this lower price. So you get the set of 2 bowls for $24.98, but all of our clearance pricing is on 5 easy payments, including H221544 from Temptations. 5 easy payments of $5. All right, you ready? Giddy up. Let's take a look at the Old World. We've got colors for you in the Old World too. Oh, look, we're so fancy. I can't get over y'all today. Blowing my mind. We've got red, eggplant. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. In the red. 6 dozen in the red. I have 100 in the eggplant. Next one is confetti. 150. And then our next color is blue. 150 there. Remember, that's the one that I've got here with me. Next color choice, this is not a real microphone. Black, I have 100. And then we have the green. Green we love, and green is the one that I correct. All right, so first day presented at this lower price, no reorder. I needed these yesterday. I need them now. I can think of a bunch of things I want to do.